Welcome to Make Easy, guys. This is another video of file handling. In this specific video, we are going to learn about copying the data from one file to the another file. So copying the data from one data file to the another file. In our previous videos, we learned about how to store the data into the file, that is using output mode and append mode. And we learn about how to fetch the data from the file and display using input mode. But now we are going to copy data from the file and storing it into the another file. So let's read the program. A sequential data file student.dat contains some records of a student with fields as roll number, name, class, mobile number. So this student.dat file is already exist in the computer with records of a student which contain roll number, name, class and mobile number of some students. So the write a program to copy all the records of students in new data file, that is new.dat. We want to copy all the data from this student.dat file to new.dat file. Okay, in this new.dat file we want to store the data, and from this student.dat file we want to fetch the data. So what should I write here now? TLS to clear the data of the output screen. Now open the file, that is student.dat or input, because from this student.dat file we are going to copy the data. Input as has1. We are opening this student.dat file to copy the data, so we are using here input mode. Now in the new file we want to store the data, so we have to open another file that is mentioned in the question, new.dat, for storing the data. So we'll use your output as has2. Just give different number, has1, has2, has3, like that. For this one has1, for this one has2. Okay. Now while not EOF of 1, remember this, while not EOF of 1, this one file, until we reach end of the file of this file, which one, student.dat, we have to take input from the file. So input, taking input from file, input has1 comma, first data which we have is roll number R, next is name. For name I will use $n, for class I will use C, for mobile number I will use M has. I'm using here M has because mobile number contains more than 7 digits, so M has. Okay, I have taken the input from this student.dat file. Now I want to store this all information into the another file, that is new.dat. To store the data into the file we use write statement. Write has2, what are those data, that is R for roll number, $n for name, C for class and M has for mobile number. I just have taken the input from this student.dat file by using this has1, and I am storing those information into the has2 file, that is new.dat file. Okay, after doing this I will write here end. End means while end, W for while, END for while end, while loop end. And after this I need to close both the files, close has1 comma has2. Then after this I need to end the program. Okay, before running this program, let me show you that student.dat file, whether this file is exist or not, because we are using input mode. If file is not exist, it will give you error. In this QB64 folder where you have installed your QBasic, as you can see, I have this student.dat file. Let me open this. Yeah, this file have some data. Okay, first is roll number, then next is name, and then this is class, and this is mobile number. I have entered random data, and this I have 1 2 3 4 records. I want to copy this all information from here, and I want to create a new file that is called new.dat. It is not exist here. The program will create and store this information over here by creating a file. This is file name is new.dat. Okay, let me make this small in size, so I will show you both the screen simultaneously. Okay, when I go to this run option and click on start, as you can see here, look at this screen, the file will be created, new.dat data file will be created when I run the program. Look, creating.exe file, fine. Just wait for a few seconds and look at this screen. Okay, now as you can see, new.dat file is created just now, as you can see time, and our program is finished. Let me press enter and the new.dat file. Yeah, as you can see, all the information are copied from that file to this file. But if you want to see the information before copying, you can just write here print r comma n dollar comma. If you want to display those information also, you can display that c comma m has. Print statement will print the data in the output screen. Let me run this program again. The file is already exists, new.dat. Okay, as you can see, those information are displayed over here, and data is copied in this file also, new.dat, by using this write statement. In this way you can copy the data from one file to another file. Look at this. So in this way it works. In the place of this output, you can use append. You know what is the use of append? Append will add records into the file. This new.dat file have these 4 records. Now if I will run this program again, then new data, that is all the data will be added into this file again. The old data will not gonna be deleted. Look, this information is displayed here. If I press OK and open this file, I have copied 2 times. So first one is here and then second time is here. If I run this program using this append mode, then again the data will be added here. So in this way append mode works. So both the things you can use, input, first of all input, and then here output or append. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any confusion, you can just comment below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe button and share with your friends. Have a great day. See you in the next video.